Adar Abhinandan Abhar, Namaskar Adab Sat Sri Akal. Hello and a very good morning to all the ladies and gentlemen. I'm Deepak Dharra, your English trainer, and I'm back with a new video. So today we are going to learn a very important topic, and it is very common topic as well, introduction. That how you should give your introduction. I have seen a lot of people, they don't know how they should introduce themselves. So today you are going to learn in this video. So I would like to cover introduction in 7 steps. इन 7 स्टेप्स में आपका इंट्रोडक्शन बेहतरीन हो जाएगा. तो आप भी चाहते हो एक अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन देना, बिकॉज इंट्रोडक्शन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. Because wherever you go, even if you go to meet any friend, even if you go to the college first time, even if you go to the school, even if you go to any job interview, so wherever you go, you have to give your introduction. So you must know that how you should give your introduction. So mainly when you give your introduction is not same everywhere. So it depends on the place also, that in what way you should start your introduction, how you should tell about yourself. So let's suppose if you're standing on any podium or if you're standing on any stage, so that time when you are addressing so many people, that time you have to use some opening lines before giving your introduction. Like if you go to any stage and thousands of people are sitting in front of you, so that time what you will do, you have to use some opening lines like that. Good morning everyone, ladies and gentlemen, like this. As you know, when I come to my videos, I use some lines. Adar Abhinandan Abhar, Namaskar Adab Sat Sri Akal. Like these are my opening lines when I start my video. So in that way, whenever you are going to address thousands of people, or a lot of people are sitting in front of you, you are on any stage, you are on any podium, so that time you have to use some opening lines, because you have to wish some other people also who are revered people. Like 15th August celebration is going on, so in that condition you will not directly come to the podium and you will not speak about yourself. That time what you will do, you will say good morning. First of all you will wish everybody, or without wishing anybody you will start your introduction. No, so first of all you have to use some opening lines whenever you are on any stage. Like I'm giving you some example for that. You can say hello and a very good morning to each and everyone present here. Thanks a bunch for giving me this opportunity. I would like to introduce myself. So after saying these lines, you will start your introduction. ये lines बोलने के बाद आपको अपना introduction start करना है. Then आप बताओगे I am this. Okay. So if you meet any friend, so this time you will not use any opening lines, right? So it depends on the place also, that in what way you have to give your introduction. So everywhere, sometimes you are on some formal places, sometimes you are on any informal place. So there's a lot of difference between both places, formal and informal, right? So we will cover our introduction in 7 steps, and these 7 steps are very, very important. Okay, so first important thing, what I told you, good morning. Yes, not only good morning, any kind of greeting. So first of all you have to wish the people you are meeting, you are addressing, like good morning everyone, good morning ladies and gentlemen, right? So first of all what you have to do, that is greeting. Second is your name. Third one is your place where you live, and fourth one is family, and fifth one is qualification, and sixth one is additional qualification. And if you have any experience, so you can tell about your experience also in the end, right? So you have to try to cover these all 7 points. These are very crucial. So I would like to tell you that how you should cover all these points in your introduction. Okay, so first thing is greeting, right? So if you're meeting a single person, so that time you can directly say good morning sir. Okay, good morning, good evening, these are formal way of saying hi and hello, right? But if you like if you are going to any interview, so in that condition you will say good morning and good evening or good afternoon, like this. Okay, but if you are meeting any friend, so it is not necessary that you will say good morning, you can say hi, hello, right? So for formal way you have to use good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and for informal way you will say hi and hello. Okay, so now switch on the next point, that is name. I have seen a lot of people, they do a lot of mistakes while telling about their name. They say myself Deepak Dharra. They say this is Deepak Dharra. If you are also using this manner while telling your name, so you should stop it right now, because these both ways are not good. If you say myself, Deepak Dharra, it is grammatically wrong sentence. If you are in an interview, so interviewer will say, beta, please go home. Even if you don't know how you should tell about your name. So never give your answer in this way, myself this, okay? Secondly, you will say, this is Deepak Dharra. So this is Deepak Dharra चलेगा, क्योंकि this is हम तब लगाते हैं जब थोड़ा एक, समझ रहे हो ना, कोई बड़ा आदमी हो तो बोल सकता है, हेलो गाइस दिस इज अक्षय कुमार, हेलो गाइस दिस इज दीपक धर्रा, तो आप बोल सकते हो। लेकिन ये एक फॉर्मल वे नहीं होता बोलने का, थोड़ा स्टाइलिश वे में बोलना चाहो तो आप दिस इज का यूज़ कर सकते हो। लेकिन आपको जो अच्छे तरीके से इंट्रोडक्शन में बोलना है वो होता है आई एम या फिर माई नेम इज़। सो आप बोलोगे आई एम दीपक धर्रा, ओके, और यू कैन से माई नेम इज़ दीपक धर्रा। And there is a new way of telling about your name, that is directly you can say Deepak Dharra, but that is when you meet somebody the first time and you say hello Deepak Dharra, getting a point? So in that condition if I meet you then I will say hello Deepak Dharra. So ऐसा करके हम बोल सकते हैं। So these were the ways, but formal कौन कौन से हमारे तरीके हैं? दो तरीके हैं, my name is and I am, okay? myself वगैरह तो आपको बोलना ही नहीं है। And our next point is place. So you can tell about your place also in different ways, like you can say I live at Jonthi village, या फिर आप जैसे बड़ी सिटी को बताना चाहो जैसे आप बोलोगे I live in Delhi। छोटा मोटा कोई गांव है, कस्बा है, शहर है तो आप बोलोगे at। जैसे मैं कहूँ कि मैं जोंती में रहता हूँ तो बोलूँगा I live at जोंती, लेकिन जोंती कहाँ पर है? दिल्ली के अंदर है, तो दिल्ली एक बड़ा एरिया है तो उसके लिए यूज़ करेंगे in। तो मैं गांव कस्बे का नाम बताऊंगा तो बोलूँगा आई लिव एट, गांव कस्बा है, छोटा मोटा शहर है कोई, ठीक है, तो आई लिव एट पीतमपुरा, आई लिव एट जौनती। बट दिल्ली को बोलूँगा तो मुझे इन लगाना होगा, आई लिव इन दिल्ली। लिव की जगह आप और भी वर्ड्स यूज़ कर सकते हो, जैसे कि रिजाइड, आई कैन से आई रिजाइड इन दिल्ली, और आई कैन से पुट अप, आई पुट अप इन दिल्ली। सो दीज आर सम डिफरेंट वेज यू कैन टेल अबाउट दैट वेयर यू लिव, ओके, और यू कैन से आई अकोमोडेट in Delhi, so you can use this word also. So after telling about your place you have to tell about your family, but I have seen a lot of people they do mistake while telling about their family because they tell so much about their family. They tell my father name is this, he is a shopkeeper, my mother name is this and she is a housemaker and my brother is a this, he studies in 6th class and my sister is this is blah blah blah, a lot of things, right? So you don't have to tell so much about your family because you are giving your introduction, not your family's introduction. So what you have to do, you have to tell little bit about your family. So before telling about your family you should use a line that is as far as my family is concerned we are 5 members, okay? और members लगाओ या ना लगाओ तो कोई जरूरी नहीं है, आप सिंपली बोल सकते हो as far as my family is concerned we are 5, okay? This is also a stylish way. After that you will not tell about everybody, or you can tell like apart from my parents we are 3 members, my brother, sister and me. And if you want to tell some little more about your family so you can tell that कि आप कौन से नंबर पे आते हो, मिडल वन हो, बड़े वाले हो, छोटे वाले, तो कैसे बताओगे उसके बारे में? अगर आप बड़े वाले तो आप बोलोगे आई एम द एल्डेस्ट वन, ओके, यानी आप दोनों भाइयों में भाई बहन जो भी हैं आपके उनसे आप बड़े हो तो आप बोलोगे आई एम द एल्डेस्ट वन। अगर आप बीच वाले तो बोलोगे आई एम द मिडल वन, और सबसे छोटे हो तो बोलोगे आई एम द यंगेस्ट वन। Got my point? So these are the 3 ways to tell about your age, that where you stand in your family, you are the middle one, you are the younger one, or you are the eldest one. So after telling about your family you have to tell about your qualification. So how you will tell about your qualification? I have seen many people do here also a mistake, that is they start telling about their qualification lower to higher, but you have to do higher to lower. What I said, not go lower to higher, you have to go higher to lower. So first of all you have to tell about your current qualification that you are doing. Like if I tell about myself, so I will say जैसे कि मैंने अभी B.Ed की है तो मैं बोलूँगा I have done my B.Ed, right? So मैंने B.Ed का, मैंने 10th के बारे में नहीं बताया, मैंने B.Ed के बारे में बताया है. So I have done my B.Ed from चौधरी रणवीर सिंह यूनिवर्सिटी L&T College with 85% marks. And after that what I will tell, इससे जो लोअर क्वालिफिकेशन है उसके बारे में मैं बात करूंगा. तो उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया हुआ है, मैंने मान लो BA की है तो मैं बोलूँगा आई हैव डन BA फ्रॉम इग्नू PCTI राइट। इसके बाद मैं बताऊंगा क्या, जैसे कि मैंने ETE की है तो मैं बताऊंगा आई हैव डन ETE फ्रॉम MA एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट रोहिणी सेक्टर 18। उसके बाद मैं क्या बताऊंगा, उसके बाद मैं बताऊंगा अपनी सीनियर सेकेंडरी। उसके बाद मैं बताऊंगा सेकेंडरी, आई हैव डन माई सीनियर सेकेंडरी फ्रॉम CBSE बोर्ड IPCS स्कूल। उसके बाद मैं बताऊंगा अपनी 10th क्लास यानी सेकेंडरी, आई हैव डन माई सेकेंडरी फ्रॉम CBSE IPCS स्कूल विद। अब मार्क्स हर एक में बताना चाहो मार्क्स भी बता सकते हो, या वो कोई खास जरूरी नहीं है, अगर अच्छे मार्क्स है तो जरूर बताना, ठीक है। लाइक आई हैव डन माई सीनियर सेकेंडरी फ्रॉम CBSE बोर्ड IPCS स्कूल विद 90% मार्क्स, ओके। सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू हाउ यू वांट टू टेल अबाउट योर क्वालिफिकेशन, सो यू हैव टू टेल हायर टू लोअर, ओके। So after telling about your qualification, the next point is additional qualification. Additional qualification, it means if you have done any course, like you have done any English speaking course or you have done any computer course, so whatever additional you have learned, so you can tell about your additional qualification after qualification. Like I can say I have done 3 months of English speaking course from Fluenta Institute, or you can say I have done computer course also of 1 year, I have done basic computer course. So you can tell about your additional qualification, and after qualification you will have to move on your experience. If you are a fresher, so there is no need of telling experience, but if you are experienced person, so you can tell about your experience also. So experience, how you will say I have 6 years of teaching experience, और कहीं पर काम करने का experience तो आप बोलोगे I have 5 years of working experience in this field, or you can tell about the company name, like I have 6 years of teaching experience in IPCS senior secondary school, or you can say I have 7 years of working experience in फलाना ढिंकाना कंपनी, जो भी कंपनी है उसका आप नाम ले सकते हो, जो भी फलाना ढिंकाना है, फलाना ढिंकाना मतलब ETC कोई भी, ओके। So this was the way to tell about yourself, okay. So this was your introduction, so you have to cover 7 points, so I'm going to repeat those 7 points. First one is your greeting, second one is your name, third one is place, fourth one is family, and fifth one is qualification, sixth one is additional qualification, and the last one, that is your experience, okay. So if you cover all these points and you give your introduction the way I taught you, so definitely you can make a good impression. So bye bye, take care. I hope कि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ इसको अपने दोस्तों के बीच शेयर करें, हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, और एक प्यारा सा कमेंट हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर देकर जाएं। बाय बाय, टेक केयर, मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार।